you. This ain't the honeymoon, past the infatuation phase. Right in the thick of love. Sometimes we get sick of love. Feels like we argue every day. I hang up, you call. We rise and we fall. We feel like just walking away. As our love advances, we'll take second chances. Though it's not a fantasy, I still just want you to stay. 'Cause we're just ordinary people. We don't know which way to go. We're just ordinary people. Maybe we should take it slow.